today we're gonna start off by making some homemade mayonnaise. So here I've got my mason jar, whatever kind of jar you want to put it in. I got an egg. This is a duck egg, just because that's what we had. Obviously, whatever. I don't have to use a duck egg. Okay, now we're gonna do a tablespoon of just vinegar. It can be white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Doesn't really matter. About a tablespoon. And then I do about a tablespoon of just brown mustard, spicy brown mustard. About a tablespoon of that as well. And I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of just salt. I'll take my immersion blender, blend that up. Now I've got 1 cup of, this is just a light colored olive oil. Obviously you can use avocado oil or vegetable oil. Just what I have. So I'm gonna very slowly, just like a couple drops, like a couple drops, add it in, blend it up. Okay, now we're gonna add a few more drops. Blending it. A few more drops. You want to do this part really slow because if you add the oil in too fast, it'll just turn into a big liquidy mess and it won't emulsify correctly. So just do this part very slow and just keep mixing it. It's starting to get really bubbly now. Okay, now I've used about a quarter cup of the oil. As you can see, it's thickening up pretty good and pretty bubbly and white. So at this point, you can start adding the oil a little quicker. You don't have to go quite as slow. I wouldn't pour it all the way in at once, but just kind of a little quicker now. You can see we got some nice olive oil mayonnaise made at home in less than, I don't know, 5 minutes. So, thank you.